Next, we're gonna go at section B, which is table that shows top 3 performing countries. So now we're gonna creating a second pivot table to show top 3 performing countries. Here are the steps. Okay, first of all, you have to go to your raw data table and select any data here and just go to insert and click on pivot table. So for this one, we're not creating a new worksheet. We just select existing worksheet, which is the dashboard, because we wanna put all data in one dashboard, as mentioned. And so we're gonna select this and select this one. And then after that, we're gonna select the cell A9, and then we click on OK. So that's it for creating a second pivot table. Now we're gonna drag a country field and drop it down at row area, and also total field in the value area like this one. Okay, so we're gonna select that country and also total. So we have it here, and then we need to repeat the step 8 in section A to format the number in sum of total. So we go back at the step 8, which is we select sum of total, and then right click because we want to separate the values by 1000. Okay, so we select all of this, and then we right click and go to format cell and select number, and then make sure to make this as 0 decimal places and click on use 1000 separator and OK. So I will separate the numbers. So after we have done repeat the step 8, which is to format this number in the sum of total, and then we need only the countries with largest total sale. So click at any cell in the table, right click, filter, and search on top 10 and enter. So right click and filter and click on top 10 and OK. And then we're gonna right click any places here again, because next part is we're gonna sort it from largest to smallest. So we're gonna click any place and we're gonna sort it from largest to smallest. So here is our data. Okay, now we're gonna go at the section C, which is trend line chart for total of sale quarterly and monthly. Now we are creating a trend line chart to show visualization of total of sales quarterly and monthly of the year of 2000. And here's the step. So same goes like before, we gonna go at the raw data set again and create a separate table with the required field, where we click at any cell in raw data worksheet and insert tab and click on pivot table. So for this one, we're gonna create a new worksheet and rename it as month quarter. So we're gonna go at our sheet and then we select raw data and right click and just click at any cell and then insert pivot table, and I'm gonna new worksheet and OK. We're gonna rename the sheet as month quarter. Okay. Next, we're gonna select the date field in the drag the field date and drop in the row area, and drag the total field and drop it in the value area. So now we're gonna select the date, row area, and total. So it's gonna be like this. Okay. And then group the table by quarter and month. Right click and choose group, and there are many options, but we will choose month and quarters. So we will right click and okay, group, and then we select month and quarters. Okay, so it will be like this, and then okay, like this one, same, right? Okay. And now we're gonna creating a line chart. Go to analyze tab and click pivot chart, then click on OK. Okay, we go to pivot table analyze and click on pivot chart, and we're gonna click add line chart and click on OK. So this will be our chart. And for our line chart, we want to free a little bit of space and leave only the important element of the chart. So delete total legend from analyze tab, uh, fill button from analyze tab, go to fill button and click hide all. So to do that, we go to pivot chart analyze and go to fill button and hide all. You can see what is the chart element that included here. And then finally, on chart element, uncheck grid lines. Grid lines will disappear on the graph. Okay, now we're gonna uncheck the grid lines. Okay, so now we want to move this line chart from month, quarter, sheet to dashboard. Go to design tab and click move chart. Move chart and select dashboard and click on OK. So it will transfer to the pivot chart at the dashboard. And rename the chart title to total of sales. Okay.